Okay, hello everybody. I am from Project Team 6 and today I will be presenting our design for the BITS 2413 project. So the scenario is a university, Durian University, has one of the main campus and a branch campus located about 5 kilometers away from the main campus. The U runs with a total of 2,000 staff and 13,000 students, learning various fields of knowledge. Recently, due to a pandemic, the U has to change its mode of operation, allowing only 20% of staff who do management and operational jobs to work within the two campuses, whereas all the rest have to work remotely from home. Students also have to learn remotely, and a vast majority of them are not staying in the campus to avoid being infected. So the new mode of working requires the U to leverage its resources, strengthen its network capabilities, as well as security. So, to show our design, this is the network for the university, which has two campuses. This is the main campus, which is the blue one, and this is the branch campus, which is the pink one. For the main campus, there are 3 separate networks, which are IT Services Network, Administration Network, and Lectures Network. For the branch campus, there are 2 separate networks, Students Network and Accounts Network. So each of the switches are named corresponding to their network. Okay, so now that we know the design of it, we will look more closer to the router. The router has, if you want to log in, there is a password. The username is Cisco and the password is password. So now we are in user exec mode, but if we want to go to privilege exec mode, there is also a password, which is password, like that. And that is the same for the rest of the switches. Now we will go to the routers. The routers also have a similar, where we want to log in, there will be a password for user exec and for privilege exec. Okay, so next we will go to router and show run. Here we can see that this is the password that we did just now. That is also the password. This IP access group web access in is the ACL that we integrated. And these are the IP access list ACL extended commands. We can also see it on the other router. These are the firewall that is integrated into the design, and also has the ACL on this router. And these are the comments for this router's ACL. Okay, so next you will see more in depth of the access list that is created. These are the access list that is created in ITCP host 192, which is over here to reach host 192.168.0.5, the email and web server. It goes deny and then permit any host, permit ICMP host, and then deny ICMP any host. Also in the R1 router, it's a similar list. There's a lot more commands, as deny to email server, permit TCP any host, permit ICMP any host, permit and deny ICMP any host. Okay, now we will check the connections between the PCs. Now for each network, they can ping among themselves, but they cannot ping among other networks, because only 20% of the workers are staying at 20% of staff do work within the two campuses. Now you will do a test. So as we can see here, PC3 can ping with PC1 and the email and web server, but cannot ping with administration PC1. So it's also the same with this network and all the other networks. So administration PC3 can ping with administration PC1, but cannot ping with lecturer PC1 and accounts PC2. So that seems to be it for our group. The security measures that we make are the ACLs in the routers and also the firewalls in the routers. Okay, thank you.